So here is a quick walkthrough video of the new 2014 Beneteau Oceanis 38. This is a very loaded weekender edition. You can get them in a day sailor, weekender, or cruiser with removable compartments and removable equipment. So this is a nicely loaded weekender. We'll take a look aboard. Of course, she has Beneteau's very popular drop-down stern. She won the award of 2014 Sail Best Boats in her category, or size range. Made in South Carolina. And this is Beneteau's drop-down stern. It's very popular. Dual wheels with raisable helm seats. And a lot of these things you'll see aboard are options on the boat. So you can get a very stripped boat just as a day sailor, or a completely loaded boat for a cruiser. And I'll point out what we added to this boat. This is how you pick up the stern. Walking on to the Oceanis 38. Nice stable stern, dual wheels, B&G electronics at the primary helm, which is on the port side. This boat also was ordered with the kids swimming pool and slide, so that's the compressor that's built into the boat for blowing up pool toys, blowing up your inflatable dinghy, whatever it is you have. Little South Coast Yachts touch of a 22 karat gold seahorse and varnished cockpit table. You can see the main sheet arch. All lines led aft to self-tailing Harken winches. We ordered this one also with the electric halyard winch up forward. Going down below, real easy companion way to get into, very easy to walk up and down. Of course, as I said earlier, this is the weekender edition without the forward bulkhead. That bulkhead's optional and you can add it or remove it. We just thought this was a great layout. Big queen-size berth up forward, removable salon ottomans, and this is also you can either add or remove the galley from this boat, from the day sailor up to the weekender or the cruiser. We decided we wanted a galley with a nice big fridge and freezer. And then a two-burner propane stove. One thing you realize when you get aboard this boat is how huge it feels for a 38-foot boat. Very large ports, so a lot of natural light. And some nice overhead hatches by Lumar for ventilation, and some side ports for more ventilation. You can see looking aft you have a nav station, which is optional. And we ordered the stereo system, B&G VHF. And then this one is the 3-cabin version, so it has 2 identical aft staterooms. And very big bunks. We had a gentleman with a 44-foot Beneteau come on board, about a 10-year-old boat, and he couldn't believe the size of the bunks compared to his. On the 3-cabin version, the toilet is to starboard, and then the shower is over on the port side, so a nice completely separate shower to keep everything nice and dry on the toilet side. And no, we have not sailed her yet, but I can't wait. That video is next. This fine Oceanis 38. Kind of a lighter blue boot stripe, makes her look really racy. Then you can see how the hard chine